Hey guys, it's time for another episode of Cooking by the Book. My name is Katy, and today we're talking about Jenn McKinlay's Sprinkle with Murder. Now, this is the first book in her Cupcake Bakery mystery series, and in it we meet Mel and Angie, best friends and new Cupcake Bakery owners, who are having a stressful time when their business partner Tate's bride-to-be places a very demanding order for their upcoming wedding. Things go from bad to worse, though, when the bridezilla turns up dead, having just had a taste tester batch of cupcakes Mel made. To save Mel's reputation, and also Fairy Tale Cupcake Bakery's reputation, they have to scramble fast to find the real killer. Sprinkled throughout are lots of tasty cupcake recipes, and today we're trying out the Blonde Bombshell. Let's get started. For the cupcakes, we'll need 3/4 cup unsalted butter, softened, a cup and a half of sugar, 2 eggs at room temperature, 1.5 teaspoons of almond extract, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2.5 cups of flour, and 1.25 cups of milk. To begin, we'll sift together our baking powder, salt, and flour. Next, we'll cream together our sugar and our butter. Once that's well combined, we'll add in our milk and our eggs. Our almond and our vanilla extract go in next. And now we'll add in our dry ingredients. I'm going to add in about a half at a time. Okay, now that it's well combined, we're just going to fill up our lined muffin tin, each cup about 2/3 full, and then we're going to bake at 350 for about 20 minutes. Okay, while those are baking, let's get busy with our frosting. For the buttercream frosting, we'll need 1/2 cup of solid vegetable shortening, 1/2 cup of butter or margarine softened, 1 teaspoon of clear vanilla extract, 4 cups of sifted confectioner's sugar, and 2 tablespoons of milk. To make the frosting, we're going to start by creaming together our shortening and our butter. Once that's well combined, we'll add in our extract. And then we'll slowly add in our sugar 1 cup at a time until it's well blended in. Now we'll scrape down the sides of our bowl and we'll add in our 2 tablespoons of milk, and we'll let that mix together on medium speed until it looks like the consistency of frosting. And we're ready to frost. For the toasted almonds that are going to go on top of our cupcakes, we're just going to take sliced almonds, spread them out in a single layer on a pan, and then we're going to bake them at 350 for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until they turn golden. Once your cupcakes have cooled and you've got your frosting ready and your almonds toasted, we're ready to put them together. And they're ready to enjoy. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Cooking by the Book. If you're interested in checking out Jenn McKinlay's series, start by searching for Sprinkle with Murder on eBook or on Library to Go.